Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by laying parts in front of you and matching fasteners to the instruction labels. This avoids mistakes later. Once done, attach one side rail to the headboard using 2 bolts and the provided Allen key, hand tighten first. Make sure to protect finished surfaces with the cloth and use the rubber mallet gently for drops. You're setting alignment now. If holes don't match, shift the rail a few millimeters until pins seat smoothly. Once side rails and headboard are stable, slide in the center support beam and loosely insert 4 bolts so you can still adjust. Next, attach center legs and torque them evenly to prevent wobble, alternate turns to keep alignment. Then position slat holders or brackets at uniform intervals, roughly every 20 to 30 centimeters, so the mattress gets even support. Tighten all center fasteners once everything sits flush. This prevents squeaks and concentrates weight correctly. You finish by laying each slat into its holders, pressing end caps on and tightening bolts in an alternating cross pattern to distribute stress. After tightening, test the frame by applying 60 to 80 kilograms at the center and listen for creaks. Use a level app to confirm the frame sits flat. If you encounter misalignment or binding, loosen the surrounding bolts slightly, realign components, then retorque to spec. If a screw is stripped, swap it before final assembly to avoid failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.